I now request Prem Prasad, Regional Executive Director, to felicitate.
Excuse me.
Can we all give a huge round of applause, my dear friends?
Immense pride to see this gathering. We aren't just looking at 12 different locals today. We are looking at a collective spirit of India's industrial backbone. I take this opportunity to extend my deepest gratitude to our chairman. Sir, your presence here today is a testament to AI's commitment to fostering a culture where human resources is not just about files and payroll, but about health, harmony, and high performance. Your vision has always been the wind beneath our wings, encouraging us to excel both in the office and in the field. While we are all competitors, once the whistle blows, let us remember the PSU spirit. We serve the same nation, and through these games, we strengthen the bonds of collaboration that go beyond the boundaries of the stadium. Sports not only teaches us collaboration, teamwork and strategy, but it also teaches us that hard work, fair play do carry the legacy of their organizations. We choose this beautiful location not just for the scenic charm, but for its vibrant energy. I hope that all the teams will find in the midst of the intense competition the time to breathe in the growing spirit that finds the perfect balance between activity and tranquility. Let this tournament be a rejuvenation for your mind as much as the challenge for the body.
All right, teams, come on, let me see you clap your hands. I want to see you move your hands for the goal meets. Come on. Yourselves, thunderous applause. Let's cheer you all, everyone. Come on, let me see you clap your hands, everybody. You need to clap your hands and clap for the other teams. So can you look around and clap for the other teams too? Come on, with a big smile.
भेंट कर रहे हैं
एयरपोर्ट डायरेक्टर साहब एवं रीजनल एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर साहब, धन्यवाद।
श्री नितिन कुमार जी, IAS चेयरमैन एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, प्रेसिडेंट भी है एयरपोर्ट।
It's been an honor and privilege to have our dignitaries amongst us today. Presenting also to the Pushing CNS and the goal scorer for today's 11 is jersey number 24, George. The goal scorer for Guardian Angel is jersey number 11, Preston. Alright, holy friends, I request our airport director, Chief Flight Lieutenant Akash Deep Mathur, to kindly present a token of love to our chief guests and the dignitaries. I request our airport director, Chief Flight Lieutenant Akash Deep Mathur, to kindly present a token of love to our chief guests and our dignitaries.
India, various teams, especially Northeast and Delhi, East, West. So all the team players are come here and really made this event successful. And in this occasion, I really express my sincere gratitude to the chief guest and All India President Kalyanmai Shikha ma'am for gracing this occasion. I also express my sincere thanks to our member HR, Nivedita ma'am, for her continued support for maintaining for sporting initiatives. Thank you ma'am for your presence here. I also convey my sincere gratitude to Sunil Jarji for his guidance and support. My appreciation also goes to APD and his team who are tirelessly working all along and making this event a grand success. I also appreciate the Sports Control Board, Western Region, Sports Control Board, CHQ officials present here make all the coordination possible. and I also appreciate and the entire, especially Goa airport team for their commendable work for organizing this. I thank all the artists performed here very nicely demonstrating the cultural variants of India for our enjoyment. Thank you very much. I also appreciate, I also thanks the band team who performed here. I wish all the players and coaches, managers a successful stay and play here, and I also wish, as our chairman had told, that only the best team will, and instead not only the winning, you take home the coordination, understanding, the friendship, what you call, and this memorable event that you cherish in your mind. Thank you one and all once again, including media, and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
I welcome all the 12 teams. This tournament is not for win or lose, but this is the event where we have come from different organizations, from different places to foster friendship, to foster the spirit of sports and learn the trust. When you play in football, which is a team game, even if how best a player you are, you cannot win alone. And you have to trust your other fellow, your other colleague. The combination, communication and the dignity which you will have to show not only to your team player but to the player of other team also. So these things which you learn while participating in sports are more important and are equally relevant in our day-to-day life, in our organization also. The trust in organization is of paramount importance, and this team sport is also just one example of that. In sports, we are having two teams, and before starting the match, we know that one team will lose and one team will win. So sports will make you learn how to accept the defeat also with dignity. That is the strength of sports. So our aim is not to win, but to make friends here. And this friendship may be lifelong also. So I wish you all the best. Few people have come first time in Goa, and this carnival also is going on. Goa carnival, I was told that will be there for 4 days. So enjoy that also and be very comfortable. That is the first thing. And I just wish that more and more officers, the colleagues from organizations, they participate, because this tournament or these types of sports among all PSUs are not for the win. I again saying not for the win. So more participation from the organizations should be there in future. So I wish you all the best and just have a nice stay. Best team should win.
Faster and the sprint feels a little lighter. I hope that in between your matches you find a moment to enjoy the hospitality and the unique energy of our beautiful state. I hope our players do not get distracted by the beaches before their big games. While there can only be one winner on the scoreboard, the true victory lies in the friendships we build and the sportsmanship displayed over the next 5 days. And to all the athletes, play hard, play fair, and may the best team win. And to our guests who are joining us today, we hope your stay in Goa is as memorable as the performances we are about to witness. Thank you once again.